door of the police headquarters. Revenge on the police cat by coming to the house and taking away its baby. Forever because of that terrorist crime.
Everyone go forward.
Finally, the evil monkey was caught and paid for his evil actions. Condolences.